Okay guys, welcome back and be amazed with Irvin and Savina. Today we have to assemble some face shields. So let's start. Okay, here are the face shields. Because at this time, COVID-19 is around, so we need to stay safe. At our school, we are going to school maybe in about a week or two. So then we need to assemble face shields. We can wear face shields or masks. And I will take okay,
this one?
Yeah, and I'll get the bottom one.
And this kind is for Sabina's.
Ooh. I don't understand. Oh. Can you make it? Let me show you. Guys, so there's a hole in here. We put that there. There's another hole there. And then you push it in. Push it. Ha! It's not working. I'll be in simple math. Okay, here's yours, Vita. I guess we should switch.
Oh, that's Sabina. That's easy, huh?
It's a little blurry.
Yeah, you have to remove the plastic, anak.
Okay.
You have to remove the plastic.
Oh,
there's
where's
plastic,
the
anak. Ah, nice fit for Sabina. And the side is covered too.
No, it's not plastic.
Minnie Mouse.
It's Minnie Mouse.
She looks like a person that went to a library. No kissing. No kissing. No kissing. This is.
Tell me, Sabina, does it feel good on your ear? Yeah? It's not too tight?
It's for the is it for the tablet?
Okay, Sabina, it's not too tight? Just perfect?
Perfect.
Baby?
You have to remove the film. Ooh, this is the film, or aka known as plastic.
Oh, now it's clear.
Okay, then we gotta move the other side, right? Okay, so we're gonna pull the other side.
There's another plastic on the other side. Wow.
Oh my gosh, that sound. It's so smooth when you feel it. Wow. Back on. Okay, we're gonna open this flap. We are going to put this in carefully. And
Look at me.
uh-oh.
Look at this baby girder. Oh, now it's crystal clear. Let me see on the side, anak. Okay.
I'll go see myself.
Wow, there's another one. It's unicorn.
Unicorn Minnie Mouse baby.
You see?
Let's see.
Aw, so cute.
Yahoo!
Another one.
Sounds real good. Okay, we're gonna put it off to the side and try it again. See you guys? You can just scratch it a little bit and then scratch it a little bit and then you can see the plastic. Scratch it a little bit and then you can see the plastic. And then you can make like peel it a little bit, peel it off, and then make it a bigger hole.
Both sides, huh? That's plastic.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so clean, guys. You see that?
Can I help
Okay,
you?
we're gonna do another.
Help you?
No. Okay, so these are reusable, guys. So every time you go out and come home, you can either warm water and soap to
Wash it with warm water and soap.
Yeah, or disinfected wipes.
Yes.
So then we're gonna make another one. But here's a tip, guys. Here's a tip, guys. When you're doing this, you can scratch a little bit, and then you can scratch a little bit. You can see the marks. But if you do like a little harder, you can see a small hole. So for me, I just scratch a little bit, like a little hard, and then I peel the plastic. See guys, look, the plastic is coming off. Then that's all you have to do. And pull it out like this, and then this part will come off, and then you can peel it from there. Simple as that, guys. Then we are now going to see. So if it comes like this, you can have to open it. And then you have to untab these. So then the holes, you can see holes. They slot in. They can slot in. They can fit in slight by slight. Just put them up and then put them like that. Okay, now these are the finished products. One for me, one for my mom, one for my dad, two for my sister. She can pick. I think she's probably gonna pick the blue one. Obviously.
We have more here, extra.
Yeah, extra. We might give some away to you. So be safe, everyone. Then wear a face shield and mask, and practice your social distancing. And at this time right now, all of us should wash our hands right after when we go outside with our face shields and masks. Whatever you touch, even though you have alcohol or wipes for your hands, you should wash your hands. Bring alcohol and sanitizer for your protection. And eat healthy food and pray for the world. And all of you stay safe. Bye. We'll see you next time on Be Amazed with Urban and Zavina. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.